Came across a FLX file from an old animation project and curious how to view it? This format stored animations in classic creative software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with FLX animation files. Pro tip: for FLX files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. An FLX file is a vector-based animation format created by Adobe Flash, now Adobe Animate. Users encounter these files when dealing with legacy web animations or interactive content from the early 2000s. The primary user intent is to view or convert these outdated animations into modern formats like MP4 or HTML5. The FLX format is a binary container designed to store vector graphics, timelines, and ActionScript code efficiently for web delivery. Its design prioritized small file sizes and scalability for varying screen resolutions, which was critical for the low-bandwidth internet era. It encapsulates assets in a structured, streamable way. You will typically find Adobe Animate developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated, associated with FLX. The archive size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows can load many video types, but transformations and effects require editing utilities. The solution lies in finding the correct software match. Go to your FLX file, right-click, and select Open With. Use Adobe Animate first if it is installed. If not, start testing other options until one successfully reads the file. If your FLX file still refuses to open, stay calm. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, opening in FLX software. Install FLX animation software from archived software repositories if your FLX file requires the original application. The software displays animations with proper timing and palette handling, reflecting the original creator's intent. Older Windows or DOS systems may be needed for compatibility. Next, converting with FFmpeg. Use FFmpeg, the powerful media conversion tool to convert FLX files to modern formats like MP4 or GIF. Run FFmpeg, I input, FLX output MP4 for basic conversion. The tool handles many legacy animation formats, producing output viewable in modern media players and web browsers. Finally, viewing in VLC. Try opening FLX files in VLC Media Player, which supports many obscure animation and video formats through its codec library. The playback may work directly without conversion, preserving animation timing and color palettes for authentic viewing of historical animation files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.